Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Black Ops 6 shaders preloading stuck at 0%. So the first thing what I suggest to do here is to go to the basically firing range. So go to range, shoot a bit, and probably it will be with a lag. Shoot a bit, for example, for a minute, then go back to the lobby, leave the firing range, and sometimes, most likely, uh, shader should start. If it's not starting, the next thing what I suggest to do here is to completely close Black Ops 6 or Call of Duty, and also close your client as well. So if you're using Steam, close Steam. If you're using um, Xbox Game Pass, close it, or Battle.net, close the game and Steam, or close the game and the client, and then try to relaunch again and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then again launch the game, go to the gear icon, then go to graphics, and then here it will you will see restart shaders preloading, and hit restart and restart the game and look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, then go to your client, then right click on the game on the library, go to manage, something along these lines will be on the Steam as well, then go to files and then browse, right? And then what you need to do here is to go to Call of Duty, then you need to go to content, then you need to look for COD24, and then you should see shader cache. And what you need to do here is to delete all files here on the shader cache, and then from the bin as well, and then launch the game, and your shader should be unstuck, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.